Teacher's Day Speech. Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatima Mushtaq. Today is the 5th of September and we are celebrating Teacher's Day. First of all, Happy Teacher's Day to all our dear teachers. Teachers are very special to us. They teach us new things, answer our questions and inspire us to be our best. We are grateful for their kindness, patience and dedication. We want to say big thank you to all our teachers. Thank you, dear teachers, for everything you do.